Speak!
You know I don't like using these things. They're listening.
Then make it quick.
That business thing's been set up. The Chinese guy, Mr. Chang, is at the inn.
You said that on the phone? What the fuck is wrong with you, damn it, Ron? Now I'm gonna have to discipline you, and you know how I feel about that.
How's it going?
You know, maybe it's a challenge, but I'm staying strong.
Trevor, you're still banned.
What about these two?
Whoever wins gets banned.
He's one. Ban him.
I can't ban him. He's my goddamn husband.
He's young enough to be your son.
Ain't the internet a beautiful thing, honey?
Anyway, I saved your husband. Now give me a drink. I got a meeting.
Okay, but any more bodies turn up in my bar, I swear, I will not serve you.
Mr. Phillips.
Ah, here he is. Yes, Mr. Chang, pleasure to meet you.
No, I am Mr. Chang's humble translator. Mr. Chang now.
我操他妈的，真是爽翻了 ！You all speak Spanish, speak it to each other.
Mr. Tao Chung is pleased to meet your acquaintance.
Oh yeah, he seems it.
我说，人事，你真是太好了哦！你有空就加的来分配的我，这真是我人生中最美好的
What
一
the
刻。
fuck is wrong with him?
就是这个，就是这个，来来来来来！
I'm out.
No, don't go! Please, I beg you. If you go, his father kill me.
Why do I give a fuck?
You don't. But we hear that Trevor Phillips Corporation is serious business. We pay good price. Things work out, we partner, make big money.
I'm rushing.
Well, let me show you the operation. This is us. We're just coming down to see the kitchen.
You can't get here quick enough. The Aztecas are coming. They think you took out Ortega.
They ain't mistaken.
Well, get down here and take them out, too.
You sure your boss don't want this crank for his own personal consumption?
No, Mr. Chang Sr. is very specific. He wants a good, reliable source of methamphetamine. We will buy from you here and distribute using established networks.
I'm worried that might dilute what our operation's all about. We're part of the slow meth movement, bioregional, locavores only.
Mr. Chang Sr. has much money.
I wouldn't be the first man to throw morals out the window for a paycheck.
他说什么？
他说他期待与我们做生意。
Shit, Trevor, we ain't got long.
Whoa, manners, chef. These are our guests, all right? We got Mr. Chang and his humble servant.
Hey, Lao Shung.
Nice to meet you. Trevor, we ain't got long till they get here.
Everything in its time, all right. Gentlemen, please, come check out the storage facilities. Go on now. Nice, right? There you go. Ample room inside. Mr. Chang, please, sir, if you will.
Let me out.
Tour will recommence shortly, gentlemen.
Should we get the guns?
Yes, chef.
Help me.
If I knew we were having visitors, what is that, a little spring clean?
Ortega has always been cool with us before.
It's about to blow.
Now I really am gonna put you out of business. Get down! This ain't done until they're all gone!
Shit, man, they're through the fence. out on the left side.
They got the whole contingent here!
Somebody help them.
That's what you came for? I'm starting to think they really want to kill me!
They got behind us. The back of the building. Get in cover.
You gonna make this personal!
You want a better weapon? Get over here. Take the big guy.
Get over my property!
We need to get to the front of the shop. Come on.
I was heading that way already.
Get down. They're coming through the door.
Rude motherfucker!
They know their feet. Let's push them off.
Get back inside and clean up the lab! I should check on the Chinese delegation. They might be catching a chill. All right, time to recommence the tour, gentlemen.
I think we have seen quite enough. 该正，
但是还没有到5次嘛。
I'll swing by and sign the contracts, all right? Just ignore the bodies.
Hey, Trevor. Are we still gonna cook that batch?
Fuck yeah!
Okay.